Okay, right back to it. Every time I mean to try and get videos out more regularly, it doesn't seem to happen. And well, I talked to enough of you guys on here, and I figured sharing life updates is kind of reasonable at this point. So I unfortunately got caught up in a reduction of force from the company I was working at back at the beginning of March. So kind of figuring it out since then. I think it would give me a bunch of free time to work on this thing, but my ask, I guess, is continue to share these videos and try and build the subscriber base and everything, and maybe we get some of that sweet YouTube ad money. But without further ado, I'll give you guys an update on what we're working on. Lots of stuff done this weekend. Bear with me, we're going to do a little bit something different editing wise. Here we go. Clear story roof supports, those are down. Lots of chunks of the clear story have been removed. I have 4 more of those to go. Big old burn pile ready for, well, burning. And finally, chunks of the first and second level of the clear story that survived disassembly to be used as templates. So hopefully going to get more stuff done here very soon. Things are moving along quite nicely and I'm very pleased. Once again, got nice and dirty. God. All right, I'm pausing for the day. When I take this section down, it's going to crash on top of that stuff, and I don't want to make a bigger mess than I really need to clean up. So I'm going to start by removing all of that, then remove this portion of the roof. But we did get that chunk down, so another day, another little bit of progress. Okay. I'm probably a little muffled. What we're doing is getting all of this stuff vacuumed out so that I can then cut down the roof. So I'm just going to do a before and after because you guys have seen me vacuum stuff before. So it might be kind of difficult to see it here, but basically there was a lot of loose debris, insulation, old wood that was vacuumed up on top of these old wood supports that have fallen off. And the reason for that is there's a possibility that when we cut down that section of the roof, it could fall on that and make a bigger mess than I want to deal with. Have I mentioned this thing is pretty stuffy? And it is very hot today. So, last weekend, cleaned up a lot of the fluff and nonsense that was here. So now we're going to go ahead and start moving some of these things that are in the way. Yeah, just continue to work on things. Seriously, that's like oak or something. I gotta make something out of that. I'll keep these, put them aside. About to happen. We have like a Dutch angle going on here. Well, that came off pretty good. Very, very dusty as always. Right, so I'm still on the job hunt, so this is my, hopefully you can see that. That's, if anybody wants to sponsor the channel here. I'm kidding, mostly. All right, well, I got a little bit of a reverse raccoon thing going on here, but that's going to do it for this episode. Thanks for tuning in. Sorry it took me so long to get it out. The next episode is going to take a little bit longer. I'm going in for a procedure, so I'm going to have to not lift anything or do anything strenuous for about 6 weeks. Everything's fine. Don't worry about it. Just figured I would let all of you guys know. As always, I am attempting to grow the channel. I got my little bit of a joke on my hat here, so thanks for watching, everyone. Hope everyone is doing well, and I'll see you all again soon. Bye.